Guys, what's up guys? Today we have a Lego pack to open and we've already opened up this Lego pack and we've seen really open up instruction book and some man here, and I have two figures to show you today. Okay guys, here's the number one figure.
No, he's going to the number one.
It have things, and he is angry. His red head. He has, and he is a tall man. He got some iron things right here. Yeah. So this one is number two figure. This is number two figure. He have a cool hair. He have a ninja style. He is a good guy, and he have a tool also to fight the bad guys. This use like green. Okay, let's begin the build. Okay guys, we're back, and this is that we made it, and
John Cena.
And this one can shoot things.
And John Cena.
This thing can shoot. We have two this right here, and we have some. This we can like this.
John Cena.
And in the
Wow.
back we have a wheel right here.
It's not a wheel.
Yes, it is.
No.
And here's
This is a shop.
Okay. And here's the bad guy. He sits over here. Okay. And this bad guys need to hit. Ba 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 ba.
Bye-bye.
Jump, So guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys later. This is the ultimate.